Black diamonds, also known as carbonado, are unique gemstones that stand out for their dark color, toughness, and rarity. Because of their value, many imitations and synthetic versions exist in the market. One simple way to check if a black diamond is real at home is by testing its resistance to heat. Tash, why heat testing works. A real black diamond is made entirely of crystallized carbon. This strong atomic structure gives it extreme hardness, 10 on Mohs scale, high heat resistance. It can withstand very high temperatures without damage. Fake stones such as quartz, glass, cubic zirconia, or synthetic crystals are much less heat resistant. When exposed to flame and then cooled rapidly, they often crack, discolor, or shatter. Just tools you will need: a strong lighter or candle flame, metal tweezers or tongues, heat resistant, a cup of cold water, preferably with ice, mild soap and water for cleaning. Step-by-step heat test. 1. Clean the stone. Wash the stone with warm water and mild soap to remove oils and dirt. A clean surface gives more accurate results. 2. Secure the diamond. Hold the stone carefully with tweezers. Make sure it is stable and won't fall during the test. 3. Apply heat. Place the stone directly in the flame of the lighter or candle for about 30 to 60 seconds. 4. Immediate cooling. After heating, drop the stone quickly into the cold water. What to observe? Real black diamond, carbonado. No cracks, no color change. It remains exactly the same. Fake stone, cracks, chips, or shatters due to thermal shock. May turn cloudy, lose shine, or darken. Safety and limitations. Be careful with fire to avoid burns or accidents. Do not use this method on valuable jewelry settings, only loose stones, as heat can damage the metal or other gems. Heat testing is useful but not 100% conclusive. For absolute certainty, combine it with other methods such as scratch test. Diamond can scratch glass or ceramic. Magnification test. Natural inclusions versus flawless synthetics. Density and weight test. Fake stones often feel lighter. For expensive pieces, professional gemological testing is recommended. Conclusion. Testing a black diamond at home using heat is a practical way to spot fakes. A genuine black diamond will not crack or change under fire and sudden cooling, while imitations often break apart. However, heat testing should be used along with other checks for greater accuracy.